Hi, for this exercise I just want to discuss with you what is to get the middle term of a sequence. That is the main point of this exercise, because the exercise is simple. Now, but I want you to understand how can we get the middle term. A certain arithmetic progression has 7 to 1 terms, and its total sum is 9,585. Find A36. So, pause for a minute, think, and we're going to continue in a second. Okay, assuming you did your part, now let's write this. Well, I'm going to tell you, this is going to be the middle term. And because it's the middle term, and because this one has odd number of terms, most likely we're going to use, we're going to write this sequence in this case, like A plus D, A minus D, A plus 2D, A minus 2D. You see? This is going to be the middle. Okay. Okay, oops. It's going to be the middle. Okay. Well, let's write middle, okay. This is going to be the middle. I was just going to write mid, but and as we go along goes our sequence. Okay. Now, well, how many terms are we going to have in here and here? How many? Well, we have 7 to 1. 1, it's right into the middle. That leaves us with another 70 terms. So half it is going to be here, and half, the other half, it is going to be in here. Agree? So in the end we're going to get what? We're going to have 35 terms in here. First, second, and so on. So in the end, the last term is going to be A plus 35D. And this one is going to be what? The first one, A minus 35D. Why is that? Because 35 with 35, 70 with 1, 7 to 1. So this is going to be our equation. Once we realize that, and once we realize that we have odd terms, once we acknowledge those two things, the next step is, what is the middle term? Well, I'm going to do now a very easy going way. So you just follow once, and for the rest of your life you don't have to do this again. Let's suppose we just have 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. Well, what is half of 3? Half of 3, it is going to be 1.5. This is the middle term. Why? It is the next integer after the half. Let's suppose now that we have 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is a half of 5? It is 2.5, isn't it? So round to 2. Round to 3. 3, it is going to be the middle term. Let's suppose we have maybe 9, okay? 1, 2, 3, yes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? What is going to be the middle term? What is half of 9? It is going to be 4.5, right? So round to 5. So 5, it is going to be the middle one. Okay? So how can we get the half? Let's suppose now we have 7 to 1 terms, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, so on, so on. 69, 70, 71. Well, what is a half of 71? That is going to be 35.5, because 35 times 2, it is 70. Half plus 2, 1, 71. We are going to round to 36. So 36, it is going to be, let's put it like this. 36 is going to be our middle term. So this is going to be our N36. Okay? This is the first part. Now, we're going to add everybody. Okay? So this summation of all the terms. But it starts at 1 and goes over 7 to 1. Okay? And what is that? Well, that it is going to be what? First plus the second plus so on, okay? Then the middle term, A, plus the middle one plus 1, okay, the next one, and so on, until A plus 35D. And what is going to happen? Well, we're going to cancel plus, when we add everybody, this is going to cancel with this. The 34 is going to cancel with this plus 24, and so on. Everybody, all the D's are going to cancel, and in the end, we're going to have 7 to 1 A's, okay? And we know that the summation, it is just 9,585. Of course, this is a multiple, it must be, otherwise the exercise would be wrong, because this must be an integer. Okay? No, it does not have to be an integer. It does not, because this is not the term. It is just a number. Okay? It could be anything. Okay, so this one is going to be 135. So that it is going to be our A36. Okay? So this is going to be, this is not what's being asked, okay? Oh, it is? Yes, it is. Okay. I thought I was asking something more deep. Like I said, the exercise, it's simple. What I want you to think about this exercise, it is just about how to get the middle term and not mess up. Because sometimes we might say, okay, it's 4. No, it's 5. No. Take that odd number, divide by 2, round to the nearest integer, okay? In here. Round to the nearest integer. And you should find the middle one, the middle term. Okay, that's it. Of course, for this exercise, it was kind of, if you realize that A36, it is the center of the sequence, and by noticing that we had odd terms, we would write in this way this sequence, and they would all cancel, okay? All the D's are going to cancel, and it's going to leave us with just the A's. And since we have 71 terms, we're going to have 71 A's. And if we have the summation, it's pretty straightforward to get the middle term, okay? So, see you later.